Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is how to use conditioner. Conditioner is a special chemical agent applied to the hair to deposit protein or moisture to help restore the hair's strength, infuse moisture, give hair body, and protect hair against possible breakage. Conditioning treatments can restore luster, shine, manageability, and strength while the damaged hair grows long enough to be cut off and replaced by new, healthier hair. Conditioners are also available in the following basic types. Cleansing conditioner. Cleansing conditioner offers gentle cleansing while providing extra nourishment for your hair. Rinse out conditioner. Finishing rinses or cream rinses that are rinsed out after they are worked through the hair for detangling. Treatment or repair conditioner. Deep, penetrating conditioner that restore protein and moisture and sometimes require longer processing time or the application of heat. Leave-in conditioner. Applied to the hair and not rinsed out. Lastly, deep conditioning treatment, also known as a hair mask or conditioning pack, is a chemical mixture of concentrated protein and intensive moisturizer. It penetrates the cuticle layer and is the chosen therapy when a moisturizing and/or protein treatment is desired. Clients should also be educated on conditioners. There are a lot of men out there who feel that using conditioner increases hair loss. And we know that's not correct. If you liked this video, please make sure to like and share it. You can find us on TikTok and Facebook at Howard Brown Online Barber College. Also, you can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.